This is a bestseller with the worst quality on Amazon. I am Hank in LA. In this video, I am going to show this LED garage light, how to source it from the China factories, what is the factory price, and I will test its important parameters by instruments in LA. What will happen? Let's go. This is my Amazon account. I ordered this LED garage light. Let's see the product details. We can get a very important information is here. It's the #1 bestseller in commercial backlighting. Wow, it's amazing. 6,000K plus sales in the past 1 month. And it's got more than 12,000 comments. 4.6 stars. This seems really good. And let's see the specification. 18 watt, 18,000 lumen, 6,500K. And the price is $25, 2 pieces. So it's 3.5 each one. That's the price with 6 panels and 1 in the center. So that's why they call it 6+1 panels. Okay, now we will search this kind of product in the Chinese wholesale website, the platform, to see what the price we can get from the Chinese factories directly. So here is the website 1688.com. Anybody can visit it and search the product. It also have the image search, so even you don't know the Chinese, you can cut picture inside. So I'm cutting the picture. You may not show this by the screen recording, okay? I'm pasting the picture. The picture is here. Search. See. So this is the wholesale market, online market, very famous in China. Here are factories, traders, thousands of suppliers for the LED lighting. So you can see they just search the picture, many options. Even some similar and are some, the new design. To save the time, I already selected 3 suppliers here, so we can know that quickly. This one you can see is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 panels and 1 inter is 6+1. It's just the appearance is a little bit different. You can see this one and this one is some difference. I want to highlight we cannot search the product according to its power or its lumen, because for this online products, all the power and the lumen, normally the online platform, this data are not real. So we can only search similar products to check the price. So this is 6+1. They mark power 16 watt. 1 piece. Yeah, you can press here. To know the price, we add 1 is 13.3 RMB. 2 is 36. Okay, so that means 1 piece is 13.3 RMB. And here is another one, also 6+1. Let's see its price here. They have different options. 5 panels, 3 panels, and this is the 6 panels. Let's press here. One piece is 13 13 RMB to 16. Okay, so each one is 13 RMB. And this one, I also found it on this wholesale website. We can see the product picture. It's exactly the same as the Amazon bestsellers picture. Oh my God, you can see here? It's the same. So maybe even the bestseller buy the product from this factory and sell in the USA on Amazon. Let's see the price. We can see the description product is also 118 watts. This is also 118 watts, all the same. The price is 26 RMB. Wow. So this is the cheapest one and the same as the Amazon. Because this is only one piece, the price is 26. If you buy thousands pieces or tens of thousands of pieces, like the bestseller, I believe you can get a much better price. Here is the price summary and we can see the difference. On Amazon, the sale price is $12.5. According to current currency, it's 8.88 RMB. And on the wholesale website, we can purchase it with one piece. The price is 26 RMB. According to my experience, if you can purchase thousands of pieces, you can get much better price. Let's say it's 20 RMB. Or if you can get good quantity and you also found the good supplier, you may even get it in 17 RMB. Here we are going to test the electric data of this LED garage light. We are in Los Angeles, USA right now, and here is my garage. We can see currently the input voltage is 120. It's because we are in the USA, so it's correct. Let's turn it on and see the power is only 15.7 watt and the power factor is 0.572. So we can make a conclusion. The bestseller show it's 118 watt on Amazon, but actually our testing result is just 15 watt. It's less than 13% of its power should be. Here I'm going to use this hand instrument to test the color temperature and RA. This is the spectrum diagram, and we can see the blue is very high. Blue is not good for people's eye, and let's see the result. CCT is 6,600. It told us it's 6,500K on Amazon. This is within the tolerance, but it's better to be lower. Let's say it's RA 18.1. 18.1 is good enough for the normal application home using. At last, let's see its mark and label. There is no brand, no any parameter information, only an email address. So, what is the correct way? There must be brand, power, lumen, color temperature, input voltage, frequency. And a very important thing is, there should be UL mark to make sure it's a safety product for you. Above are all the review for this LED garage light. This is Hank in LA. See you.